Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Victory Octane Cruiser. This is a badass looking machine, matte gray finish, blacked out engine and wheels, 1200 cc's of V-twin power, fuel injection, liquid cooled. This bike has 104 horsepower. Great performance. This bike also is equipped with the custom Octane seat and passenger backrest. We also have the quick release windscreen for the front and saddlebag stays if you want to put bags on this one. They are in stock and go with this unit. Fantastic condition. Just run through our service department. Everything checks out beautifully. Come by. Make your V-twin cruiser dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.